Wondering what is Davana Essential Oil good for? In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the most common uses along with some of the essential oils that it blends best with. I'm Mandy Summers, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. About the power of essential oils for the last 9 years, and I am really excited to share with you all about Davana Essential Oil. Now, if you stick around to the end, you will have a chance to grab my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Before I jump into the video though, I always like to ask my community how you like to use whatever oil I'm talking about today, which happens to be Davana Essential Oil. So if you have some favorite uses for this oil, please go ahead and put it in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. It's always wonderful to draw in some of the wealth of knowledge from our viewers. Okay, so let's jump right in. Davana Touch Essential Oil can be used aromatically and topically and can be applied to the skin neat. The Davana plant is a relative to the sunflower, the daisy, and even one of our favorite plants, the Roman chamomile. It is a small, fragrant, flowering herb with soft, silvery, fern-like leaves and small yellow flowers. The plant grows to be just about knee height and looks much like a small fern. It's often grown in the home gardens in India, and this plant is known to attract many different types of butterflies. Davana Touch features a pleasant herbaceous aroma with plum-like and raisin-like notes. When applied to the skin, this rich adaptive oil creates an aroma that is unique to each individual. This very rare essential oil only made its appearance as an essential oil when it was coveted by the perfume industry in the late 20th century. It's known as a flirtatious essential oil because once Davana touches the skin, everything changes. Davana responds to our unique chemistry and personalizes the scent for us. It has soothing, calming, and balancing benefits when used. Traditionally, Ayurvedic practitioners use Davana for reproductive purposes. You can apply it over your abdomen or the bottom of your feet. It was also used in religious ceremonies and meditation to help balance the body's energy and quiet the mind. It is high in ketones, which makes it great for the skin. Like I said before, this is a very rare essential oil. So if you Google it and you find it for a very low price, there's a good chance that it is an adulterated essential oil. So be very careful about getting Davana oil. When applying this essential oil, you can put it on your wrists, you can put it behind your ears, on the back of your neck. You can also add this essential oil into your skincare routine. Davana essential oil blends well with bergamot, black pepper, frankincense, jasmine absolute, mandarin, neroli, wild orange, patchouli, and rose absolute. So there is a little bit about Davana essential oil. Now, I promised to teach you how to get my free essential oil usage guide at the end of this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Now, if you want to grab my free essential oil usage guide, go ahead and click in the link below, pop your email in, and it will be sent directly to your inbox. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.